Good morning. It's Friday. Another wonderful wintry morning. Today the sun is coming up. Welcome to life. Welcome to a brand new day. Let's take a moment of stillness, of calmness. Close your eyes and let's meditate. Allow the stillness to calm your mind, your body, your energy, and your emotions. Allow the stillness to calm your mind, your body, your energy, and your emotions. Breathe in through your nostrils and out. Breathe in through your nostrils and out. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for being present. Thank you. Today, as I was cycling towards the wetlands here in Oaklands Park, Adelaide, South Australia, the southern hemisphere, it's a wonderful place here on Mother Earth, amongst the busyness of people. And when I was cycling, noise and calmness was in my awareness. Noise and calmness in my awareness, in my presence, in my cycling. Today, our world, your world, my world, is all of the one. All of the one. Us humans have created economies. Economies, lifestyles, or busyness. It's a busyness that allows us to produce what we aspire to produce, to co-create, to create. As a blessing as it is what we've created, it's also our creation has drawn us away from our calmness. So continuously, daily, we're confronted with the noise of busyness, the noise of having to create, having to go somewhere, having to do something to feel worthy. And this is just a reminder today, in a moment of busyness, in a moment of drawn to having to do something, I'm asking you to take moments to be aware of the awareness. Take moments to become calm. So you have noise, your calmness. To achieve your state of calmness, you have to come into awareness. Awareness in the presence of the now. So we ground our busyness and come into calmness through being in the presence and being aware of the now. Awareness and calmness is in you. It's within us. All we need to do is take a moment to close our eyes. Again, Let us meditate on the moment of being aware in calmness. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the state of awareness. Thank you for calmness to be birthed within each and every one of us. And as we continue to live life today, let us be calm. Let us be aware. Let us be present. Thank you. Thank you. Thanking you for being here today. Another meditation and conversation, MediSation. Be a blessing to your world. Be calm and aware in everything that you endeavor to explore, inspire, and to live today. Many blessings, and I'm looking forward to our next meditation. This was Arthur from Monart Live.